Okay, so it seemed like there was a little bit of confusion around this problem. So I'm gonna post this video so I don't have to spend class time, but it'll be accessible for you to study for the midterm. So it says, back to our Martians, number of eyes is also a Mendelian trait. 4 eyes, big F, or big F, little f is dominant, while 2 eyes, little f is recessive. Remember that the green eyes allele G is dominant to the allele for pink eyes, little g. The genes for eye color and eye number are on separate chromosomes. Cross a female Martian with 2 pink eyes, the male that has 4 eyes that are green. So let's do the female parent. So it says cross a female Martian with 2 pink eyes. So 2 eyes is recessive, so it's little f, and pink eyes is also recessive. So it's little g, little g. Then it says a male that has 4 eyes, heterozygous. So that means it's going to be big F, little f, that are green, which is also heterozygous. So it's going to be big G, little g. Now, because of the law of independent assortment, the offspring can inherit all the possible allele combinations from either parent. And so for each of these Fs, they can go with either G. So the first F can go with either G, so that's little f, little g, little f, little g. And then the second F can also go with either G. So that's again, little f, little g, little f, little g. Over here, it's a little more obvious. So the first F can go with either G. So that's big F, big G, big F, little g. And the small f can also go with either G. So that's little f, little g, or little f, big G, sorry. Little f, little g. So then, to find out all the possible explanations of the or genotypes of the offspring, we're going to cross the 2 parents. So we're going to put the female across the top. We have our 4 options, and the male down the side. And then we're just going to go like so. And so we want in each box a genotype that looks like the parents. So we're going to put the 2 Fs next to each other, and if there's a dominant allele, you're always going to put it first. You'll notice that all of the ones going across be the same, because these, I'm not sure if you can see my cursor, but all of the female gene allele contributions are the same. Okay, so that's our Punnett square filled out. Now it says, what are the possible genotypes and phenotypes in their offspring? So like I just said, we notice that all of these across the top are the same. So if we check, look, all 4 in line. It's a mistake on my part. All 4 are the same. So, and the same in this row, and the same in this row. So we have that genotype, this one. So if you had more than just these 4, which is possible because you can have, I think, up to 12 different ones, not sure. But you would search the Punnett square for the unique genotypes. It says, what are the genotypes and phenotypes? Oops. So now we're going to say what each of these are. So we remember that big F, little f is 4 eyes, and big G, little g is green eyes. So this one has 4 green eyes. This one has 4 pink eyes because we have two little g's. This one has two green eyes because it has the two little f's but still a big G. And this one has two pink eyes because they're both homozygous recessive. And then it says, in what proportions? And we see that there's 16 different genotypes in the grid, and that each one occurs 4 times. It's going to be 4 out of 16, 4 out of 16, same, 4 out of 16. And so if you want to put that in a fraction or a decimal, just be 0.25. And the same for all of those. So if you're confused about this problem, I would encourage you to either print out the lab assignment again, which is on Canvas, and walk through this video, or make corrections to, or correct the mistakes you made and try to do better on the midterm.